All right, out with the fellas today. We got David with the FE450. We got me on my DRZ400. We got Dennis on his gas EX350, and we have Jeff on his CRF 450X, and it is a 2012. We gotta watch out for this guy right here. That's gonna be a bad day. We're gonna take it kind of easy today, guys. Nice dual sportish ride. Show these guys some trails out here, so it should be a good time. Been a little while since I've ridden the DRZ. Been ripping the gas quite a bit. Getting ready for that Outlaw Enduro in February. Feeling pretty good on that bike, so see how the DRZ feels today. Trying to find some more rocks so I can hide this thing a little bit better, or make it more aware to other people that it's sticking out of the ground. All right. What are we doing? Yeah, you want to run out here? You gonna strap this or no?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually gonna have Jeff follow me. I was telling these guys there's a rock pile out here to the right. Just be careful. There's a piece of frickin' steel sticking out of the earth a little bit, so ride around it. Don't try to hop it.
Okay.
That's really the only concerning part. There's a little loose gravelly part that I'm going to take Jeff through. Yeah. And then we'll kind of mess around. We'll start heading that way eventually. There's a nice wide open fun part to hit, and then there's some fun double track that way. And I got a loop that goes all the way up and around up to New River, and then up to my single track. Yeah. Which doesn't have any cactus like the other stuff does. Hear that, Jeff?
No cacti?
No cacti intruding in the trail, which will be nice.
Is that the one that James built?
Yeah.
Or you and James?
Yeah, both of us, and then Tanner as well.
Riding still or no? Have you not seen him?
James?
Tanner.
Oh, not really as much. I don't think. Rode with him a couple weekends ago. That's fun. But
thanks for that, Luke.
Yeah. All right, Jeff. I want you to follow me, okay? These guys can go screw around. All right, I'm gonna have Jeff follow me. He's the newest rider here, or at least for the longest time since he's been on a bike. So I'm gonna take him through some stuff here, see how he does. Here. And here's the fun stuff back over here. Oh, it's not so loose anymore. More people have been riding it. How's everyone doing so far? It's a fun little sand wash down here. It's a very small sand wash, but start exploring. See what's out here, what's available. Burning branches. Every time I hop on the DRZ, I'm so happy. It's just such a fun, easy bike to ride. It sounds great with an exhaust. You do the airbox mod, you do the jet kit. Yeah, it rips, dude. It's so much fun. On their 450s and 350. All right, so this is the gas pipeline trail. So this will take you all the way to the Carefree Highway, all the way up to...
Carefree is if you go that way.
Yeah, Carefree if you go that way. That would be north.
That's south, this is north.
Yep. So this will take you all the way up to Little Penn staging area at Black Canyon City. And there's a fun trail that would be cool to go on. It's double track. It's a little hairy though. It's a little gnarly. With a pretty good decline at the drop into Little Pan. Pretty rocky, a little washed out, but good stuff to practice on. But I'm gonna take you guys over here. Over here is what's that road?
Here, Luke, you skinned your pants.
Oh yeah.
Fall off your bike, did you?
Oh, all the time.
You know what? If you don't fall off, you're not going fast enough.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, I always said if you don't crash, you're not having fun.
Yeah. Anyways, there's
I don't want to crash anymore.
Right.
Right.
Shit.
Less crashing.
No, less crashing. Yeah, she wants to eat. Love this bike, dude. Third gear, boys. Third gear. Phew. Cool spot for a picture. Oh, loud on that skid plate. Ranch.
Girl.
What?
We got a flag girl?
Not yet.
Not at this race?
Not yet. I got passenger pigs next time. I'll bring her out. Nice. time with to use the clutch. Watch what I do here, okay? You might hate me after this, but it's literally like around this corner, and then we're at the Powerline Trail. So
okay, cool. Fine.
There we go.
Awesome.
Oh shit. Maybe I'll hop on his bike and he can hop on this. It's a little bit easier to ride. Woo, a 350.
I don't know. Okay.
This clutch lets out so far. Such a hyper engine, the 350s. Yeah, it's not too bad over here. That front suspension is super stiff though too. You take the 450.
It's like he's coming back, but no, he isn't.
Oh shit. He's coming. Yeah.
Jeff is worried about crashing it. He doesn't want to wreck the bike.
I gotcha. I was gonna have Dennis take your bike.
We were gonna, and then I was like, I got used to it.
Do you want me to ride this part up for you?
I think so.
Okay. Nice, man.
Thank you.
Woo! Hell yeah. We're good to do it. Yeah, they might hate me for this, but we're almost there.
We already hate you.
I know. Oh, that's a single track over here. Woo! A little bit of single track. Here we are. riskier than the gas pipeline trail, but also less crowded. And it has really, I think, a lot better views. Wow, camber. This is about where the sand wash ends and lets out onto this trail. Oh boy. Boys are moving, yeah, hell yeah. All right. That might be tough for Jeff. Hell yeah, dude. Nice. Little dual sport adventure today, boys. Where?
There's an area back there where every time I touch my levers, holy fuck.
Oh yeah, with the
power line.
Yeah.
It's weird. Like right now, I'm not getting it.
Yeah.
When we were right underneath, I wasn't getting it. It was when we were off to the side.
Yeah. He's doing great. Nice job, man. Yeah, doing great.
Okay.
We're gonna keep going that way.
Okay, let's keep moving. Right?
And there's a really fun hill climb that overlooks the valley over there.
All right, might want to get a shot there.
Yeah.
So we're going this way.
Yeah, follow me. our hill climb, boys. Second gear send. There we go. Here comes David with his Husky FE450. Oh shit, we got a fire over there. Woo! There you go.
Get a shot.
Nice. Yeah. You see that fire over there?
So badass.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah. You got it, Jeff. There you go. Nice job. Oh yeah, that front suspension's so rough. Oh, he's on the gas. Good job, buddy. Hell yeah. Nice, man. It's a little bit of a hill climb. If you go up it, stay to the left. If you don't want to do it, there's a bypass trail, okay?
Is this the bypass?
Yep. Here, you can watch me, and then you be the judge if you want to do it or not. Nice job, dude. Nice little bottom out. Nice.